From the dawn of time, stones have played an indispensable role in human survival. Our prehistoric ancestors used various types of stones to conquer their environment, creating tools, weapons, and other essential survival items. So we're going to take a look into the historical uses of stones in survival, exploring how these natural resources shaped human evolution and sustained early societies. Types of stones and their uses. First up, we have flint. Flint is perhaps the most well-known survival stone, renowned for its ability to generate sparks when struck against steel. This property makes it invaluable for starting fires before the advent of modern ignition devices like lighters and matches. Flint's conchoidal fracture allowed for the creation of sharp edges, making it ideal for crafting cutting tools and weapons. Obsidian. Also known as volcanic glass, obsidian was highly prized by ancient toolmakers for its sharpness, which surpasses that of modern surgical steel. Early humans used obsidian to craft knives, arrowheads, and scrapers. Its ability to be fractured into predictable patterns made it perfect for precision tools necessary for hunting and skinning animals. Quartzite. Tough and durable, quartzite was used for heavy-duty tools. Its resistance to weathering made it an excellent material for constructing long-lasting tools and implements. Prehistoric people used quartzite hammers and anvils to process food and to craft other tools. Basalt. This fine-grained volcanic rock was commonly used for grinding stones and milling. Basalt's abrasive nature made it suitable for creating ground stone tools like manos and metites, which were essential for grinding grains and seeds into flour. Sandstone. Sandstone was often used as a whetstone for sharpening tools. Its gritty, sand-like texture helped to maintain the edge of cutting implements, which was crucial for efficient hunting and butchering. Soapstone. Soft and super easy to carve, soapstone was used by early humans to make cooking vessels and molds. Its thermal properties allowed it to distribute heat evenly, making it an early form of cookware for heating and preparing food. What about survival applications of these stones? Toolmaking. The primary survival use of stones was always toolmaking. Different stones offered different properties, like hardness or flakiness, which early humans exploited to create specific tools needed for their daily activities. Firemaking. The ability to create fire was absolutely a turning point in human evolution. Stones like flint were central to this development, as they could be struck against iron pyrite or marcasite to create sparks, igniting tinder and leading to the development of fire. Construction. Larger boulders and flat stones were used in constructing shelters and defensive walls, providing safety from predators and harsh weather conditions. Medicinal. Certain stones were actually ground into powders and used for their medicinal properties. For instance, clay materials were often consumed to detoxify the body or were used externally to heal wounds. Symbolic uses. Stones also held cultural and spiritual significance. They were carved into ritual objects or used as markers for territorial boundaries or grave sites, illustrating the deep spiritual and social roles stones played in early human societies. Stones were more than mere survival tools. They were the backbone of early human technology and culture. The ingenuity of our ancestors in utilizing these natural resources not only ensured their survival, it also laid the foundations for societal development and technological advancement. By studying these primitive tools and the materials from which they were made, we get valuable insights into the resourcefulness and adaptability of early humans, reflecting the profound connection between mankind and Earth's natural resources.